Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. It is class 11th subject economics. In my previous chapter, we have studied about the reforms introduced in India. When we talk about the economic reforms were introduced in India due to the economic crisis relating to its external debt. The government was not able to make repayments on its borrowings from abroad. हमारा जो मुल्क था वो इकोनॉमिक क्राइसिस की वजह से एक्सटर्नल डेबिट की वजह से वो सफ़र कर रहा था, इसलिए जो है और जो द इकोनॉमिक वाज फेसिंग प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ डिक्लाइनिंग फॉरेन एक्सचेंज, growing imports without matching rise in exports and high inflation. So India changed its economic policies. तो इसलिए हमारे हिंदुस्तान को जो अपनी इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसीज़ थी वो चेंज करनी पड़ी 1991 में ड्यू टू ए फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस एंड प्रेशर फ्रॉम इंटरनेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशंस लाइक द वर्ल्ड बैंक एंड IMF, क्योंकि प्रेशर आ रहा था वर्ल्ड बैंक की तरफ से और IMF की तरफ से, इसलिए हमारे मुल्क को अपनी इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसीज़ चेंज करनी पड़ी. Now we are going to discuss about the main economic reforms. Number one is liberalization. It means free the economy from direct or physical controls imposed by the government. Partial liberalization was started in India's economy in the decade of 80s. However, the new economic policy initiated in 1991 is more comprehensive and focused on reducing the controls by introducing liberal changes in both the external as well as domestic economy. Liberalization policy is based on the assumption that market forces could guide the economy in a more effective way than the government control. And number two है privatization. प्राइवेटाइजेशन. और जब हम प्राइवेटाइजेशन की बात करते हैं, प्राइवेटाइजेशन मीन्स चेंजिंग ऑफ द ओनरशिप और मैनेजमेंट ऑफ स्टेट ओन्ड एंटरप्राइज विद अ व्यू टू इम्प्रूव द परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ द पब्लिक सेक्टर enterprises. The wave of privatization has spread all over the world. Need for privatization was felt mainly because of the inefficiency of the public sector enterprise. Thus, the private sector was given a large space to operate and was allowed to operate in the areas reserved exclusive for the public sector. अब जहाँ तक वेज ऑफ प्राइवेटाइजेशन की बात करते हैं, वेज ऑफ प्राइवेटाइजेशन, तो दो रास्ते हैं इस प्राइवेटाइजेशन के. नंबर वन है बाय विड्रॉवल ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट फ्रॉम द मैनेजमेंट एंड ओनरशिप ऑफ पब्लिक सेक्टर कंपनीज. नंबर टू है बाय आउटराइट सेल ऑफ पब्लिक सेक्टर कंपनीज. एंड व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट नंबर थ्री, दैट इज ग्लोबलाइजेशन. Integration of domestic economy with the world economy is known as globalization. This is the outcome of liberalization and privatization. Due to the globalization process, there will be unrestricted flow of goods and services, technology, capital and enterprise among different countries of the world. Measures adopted for privatization and liberalization together are the outcome of globalization. In the globalization process, the government of India has decided to increase the share of the foreign investment up to 51% in Indian companies, and collaborations and foreign investors will get automatic sanction for this much of investment. Government has also devalued rupee by about 20% to make adjustment in exchange rate. New trade policy was declared for the period of 1992 to 97. According to the new trade policy, many controls and restrictions has been withdrawn so that competition may increase. Barring few goods, now the free export and import of goods is allowed. To step up the exports, the custom duties have been reduced, and in the same way, import of essential goods is allowed to introduce new technology in our industries to cover up the deficit in foreign trade. Many steps have been undertaken, and the share of India in foreign or world trade has been increased. To encourage exports, partial convertibility of rupee was allowed initially, and later to full convertibility of rupee was allowed. The new policy aims at rendering Indian economy internationally competitive through reduction in custom duties and tariffs. And dear students, I hope that you understand it fully. So far, the measures taken for globalization. Inshallah, we will discuss about them in my next lecture. Thank you very much.